Thank you. Let's start. Yes, Golam, every day I record it. And the recording also be available in the schedule. Uh, Check it into the city.amp educator. Everything is available. Under the documents section, you can check it in there. Golam, we don't need to request anything. Just you can go to the city.amp educator. You can see there is important link. Under the important link, you can see the link of all the videos, all the recordings. You can check that link. All the recordings are available. Which portion you need, you can check it. Okay, is it good? Okay, guys, let's start. I'm gonna share my screen. Today we want to do one interesting thing. That one is the create virtual machine. If you remember, last time I said we want to do something. We want to create some virtual machine, and that one is in the in the portal.azure.com. How come we can create a virtual machine in here? So for that one, please log in into the portal.azure.com. There is no specific documents for the creating any virtual machine. I want to show you every step, which portion we need to use. That portion you can use for your practice purposes, for your working purposes. So let's start. I am to create one virtual machine in our Azure portal. How come we can create it? First, we need to move into the Azure portal. Now we are in here. After then, write down in here virtual machine. Virtual machine, what is that one? Virtual machine is available in the virtually. That means we want to do something, that one will be in the virtual. So we cannot touch it, we cannot use personal work purposes, but we can make it and we can work some specific work we can do in there in that machine. Think about this is your computer, and that computer is called as a virtual computer or virtual machine. Let's create it. How come we can create it? Click to that create button. You can see under the virtual machine, there will be create button. Click in there. Then you can see lots of things will be showing. 3 options will be showing. I don't need to use the number 2 and number 3. Let's using the first one. Let's discuss that one first one. Later we'll discuss next few things. Day by day we'll discuss that thing. So Azure virtual machine. So we want to create one virtual machine. So I want to click in here Azure virtual machine. I select it. Now I can see in here lots of things nowadays coming. Okay. Sorry. So when you can see this screen, basic option in here, most of the cases we can see subscription will be showing the default one. Maybe you can see that one. Resource group. So we don't have any resource group. We need to create a one resource group. So for the create resource group, click on the create new. Write down any name of your resource group. So I now write down my resource group name is like this one. My RG resource same name already exists. Oh no, how come that one is exist? Okay, give me 1 second. Why that resource group is available in my account? Let me check. Oh no, one resource group is available. Okay. Okay, no problem. In the morning time I created, but I forgot to delete that one. I'm sorry about that one. Okay, so click on the create and write down your resource group name, any name, and click on the OK. Then you can see your resource group name will be automatically showing in here. So I am using the previous one because that one is already available. I will delete that one after this class. So I want to pick that one. Virtual machine name. What you want to write down your virtual machine name? Keep it. Write down any name. I want to write down my VM. VM means virtual machine. Most of the cases we are writing the short word VM means virtual machine, RG means resource group, like that one. Region, by default region we want to select that one, which one we can see, that one will be good to go. We don't want to change that one. Availability option, this one is very important. Click in there and select no infrastructure redundancy required. I don't need anything. Let's select that one. Security tab, always we need to choose the trusted. In the OS, you can choose this operating system. Let's say you can click on the image. In here, lots of operating system will be available. Which one you prefer? You can choose that one. Let's choose one, Windows Server 2019 data center. I can see that one is available in here. Let's choose it. You can choose anything. Which one you prefer? You can choose it. After 10, by default size, this is the size means your virtual machine, virtual computer, virtual CPU, and RAM. How much RAM you want to use, how much CPU you want to use, you can select in here. That one is costly. Write down in here your username. What type of user you want to use. So most of the cases I write down the Azure user. I write down like that one. You can write anything, which one you prefer. So I write down it. Give me 1 second, please. Guys, give me 1 minute, I'll be back. Sorry about that, guys. Parveen, I will share it. First, I need to finish the class. And please let me know when I will finish the class. Please let me know. Okay, guys. Let's do the rest of thing. Where I was. Okay. I write down in here, username is Azure user. You can write any name. It's your choice. Okay. Now go to the password, write down the password. You can write password by yourself or You can, okay, you need to choose the password. There is one option. I cannot see why. That changes this interface again. There was one option, you can see the password, but I write down some password. Now I cannot see the password is showing in here. Maybe something changing in here. So as a result, I cannot see the password. You can write any name, any password. You scroll down and you can select allow selected ports and select in here. By default is RDP selected. Let's click in there and select the HTTP protocol. That means that one is the 80. So select both of them. After then, click into the next. Click into the next. When you come into the disk, this one, you scroll down, check it. What can you see? This one is the showing premium SSD by default. Sorry guys. By default, which one you can see? That one is good to go. No problem. No need to change anything. You can see delete with VM. When you finish your work, we need to delete it. For this reason, I always select that one. Yeah, I need to delete it. And rest of thing, whatever you can see, no need to change anything in here. Let's go to the next, networking. In the networking, you can see virtual network will be this one, subnet by default this one, public IP will be automatically showing. You don't need to select anything, just you can check it. What can you see in there? And you can say delete public IP and NIC when VM is deleted. Please check this one, because when you delete the VM, we don't need that public IP address. Otherwise, they will charge you for that public IP address. So check it. Now go to the management. Click into the next. Under the management, enable system, manage, identify. In here, lots of things will be available. So you don't need to do anything in here. Now go to the, directly go to the, in the monitor. If you want, you can check it in here, what things are available. In here, we don't need to do anything in the monitor section. Go to the advanced. We don't need to do anything. In the tag, if you want, you can set someone's someone in here. It's your choice. I don't want to do anything. Let's click to the next, review plus create. That one is checking, and I got one message, validation passed. If I got the validation passed, that means everything is good to go. My configuration is good. That's it. Try to create it. Before finish the deployment, we cannot say our VM is working perfectly. Let's click into the create. Now they are checking everything. If everything is perfect, then we can say deployment will be successfully finished. Sorry guys, I'm not feeling good for this reason. Sometimes you can say I turn off my camera and mute myself. Okay, now I can say your deployment is complete. That means finish my virtual machine. I create it. Let's move into the resource group. I move into the resource group, and this is my virtual machine. If this is my virtual machine, I need to make sure actually this one is the virtual machine. How come you can know? This is the resource group name. This is the status running, location, Windows, and size is this one. Size means your hard disk, virtual machine size, that means processor and memory. This is the public IP address. we are using. So lots of information will be available in here. Check it, which one you need, you can use that. So I create virtual machine. I want to see my virtual machine. So for that one, I want to do one more thing. Give me 1 second. So I want to connect my virtual machine. That's my goal. Now, where I am, I'm in here. So what about this one? Okay. Now click into the connect button. In the connect button, you can see there is two-way connection. One is connect, another one is vision. So again, we'll create one virtual machine and we'll do using the connect via version. Not for today, we want to do connect. Click into the connect button. When you click into the connect button, then you can see this is the public IP address. That means your virtual computer will be using this public IP address. And you can see native RDP. Native RDP means you can connect your computer using this software in your local machine. We need to download it. Let's click into the download RDP file. Click in there. Now save it in your computer anywhere where you want. Yeah, I already downloaded it. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna show you. I already download. The file is available under the download section. You can see this is my file. My VM, I created a VM. That VM name is my VM. If you that VM, so you can see this is my VM name, my VM. So I download it, and this is that one. But how come I can connect? Let's double click it. When you double click it, give me 1 second. I'm gonna minimize everything. Something will be available in my computer. Ignore all the things. When you connect it, this is going to become remote desktop connection security warning. They give me warning. Ignore that one. This is the remote desktop connection. Let's click on the connect button. Then we can see that Azure user will be automatically showing the password. We need to write down the password. So I write down the password, this one, Azure one password hash. If you want, you can use the remember me. Click on the OK. Now we can say another screen will become, that one is the security purpose checking. Let's click into the anyway I need to connect. Click into the yes and wait. Now you can see I'm connecting another computer, and that's computer Windows Server 2019. Wait a couple of seconds and we create one user, Azure user, and using that user, I'm in this computer. So you can change the shape when you want. You can maximize this screen. You can select that way. Wait a couple of seconds. I choose only very small size of portion of our CPU. For this reason, it's work a little bit slow. When you want to do anything, at least you need to change the CPU. Like my computer, I'm using i7, 32 GB RAM, and in here maybe 30 or 40 code available in this computer. So if you use the more CPU, then it will be more fast. If you use the less CPU, then you can see that will be more slow. So now you can see I am connecting one computer. That computer is not in my computer. That one is in the virtual. I don't know where is this one. That one is available in this IP address. So now I connected it. It is still running. We can see server manager. Wait a couple of seconds. We can see start, search, file, Internet Explorer, file explorer. Yes, we want to connect to internet. They will suggest you, do you want to use the internet? Yes, I said yes. So now we can see the server manager will be automatically come. Close it. This is your server manager. What is server manager? We'll discuss later that for the server purposes. But we can see this is our virtual machine. You can use like a computer. What can you do? You can do it. If you want to do some work, you can do it. But problem is, when you shut down it, everything will be gone from in here. How many minutes you are using this virtual machine, you need to pay for that one. So our work is done. For that reason, I have to close this one. I close it, cancel it. I'm thinking done for my this lab. Our lab is finished. So when you finish your work, must be delete your resource group. So where is that resource group? This resource group I'm using for our all of the work. So go to the resource group and click on the delete resource group. Then copy this one and all the things will be back in the backend. That one will be created. Apply delete, write down resource group name, click on the delete, click on the delete. Wait a couple of seconds, I will get one notification. When everything will be deleted, then you will get one message, hey, your resource group will be deleted from your account. So until delete is our work will be finished. So my main goal was today, I have to create one virtual machine. I can connect with that one and I can do something in there. If you want to stay with your virtual machine, you can stay. But problem is payment. I don't want to pay. So if you want to pay, you can use that virtual machine, whatever you want. You can do in there. Looks like your computer. You can do everything in there. So your choice, you can use that virtual machine. If you don't want, don't like, need to use that one. So wait a couple of seconds in here. When this one will be finished, I'll share where is the recording. Recordings are available. It's still deleting. 1 minute ago, I start this work. It's still working. Sometimes we need to wait. Sometimes the resource group will be deleted within few seconds. Based on your work, that one will be deleted. Okay, I can see delete resource group, my RG. Let me check, click on the resource group. Now I cannot see my resource group. Let me close this notification. So resource group is not available. Very good news. Let's click into the virtual machine. We need to make sure virtual machine is there or not. I cannot see virtual machine. I'm happy, nothing is there. Just I want to check one more thing, the subscription. What is the bill? So because I create that resource group in the morning time, you can see 0.05 cent is increase in here. Because of only one thing, I use the resource group in the morning time and I delete it now. So approximately 6 or 8 hours, the resource group is still with me, is still with my account. As a result, the price is increasing, cost is increasing. Be careful about that one. Don't forget about that one. Otherwise, now I can see only 0.05 is increasing. In your case, maybe that one will be $10, $15, $20, or $100. So be careful about that one. When you finish your work, immediately delete from your account. Okay, let's check the Parveen asked me where is the recording. Let's move into the city.mp recorder. If you go to the documents section, another documents, there is one link, important link. Click in there. Click in there, you can see for recording, this is the recording section. If you move in there, then you can see the recording. Let me download it. I cannot check in there. I click on the download button. Let me download it and I'm gonna show the recording. Important link. And this is the recording links. I'm gonna check it, the recordings are available in there or not. Every day I upload it. Let me check it. Okay, this is the playlist. Which one we did yesterday? We did maybe 2B. So the 2B is available in here. So you can check it. It's not sorting. Why it's not sorting? Can I move it? No. This one is sorting 1, 2, 3. Okay, I cannot move it. I'll take it, sort, and then did it. Yeah, now I can sort it. Good thing. So this is the yesterday I did that one. So the video recording will be available. So today's recording as well I will upload after the class. After the class means our class will be finished at 9:30. So after 10 or 15 minutes later, I will get the recording, because that recording is processing in the Google Drive. In the Google, when class will finish, they process it. After then, they will send me. Finally, I download it and upload it. So you can see that one after that, at least 9:30 or at least 10 p.m. After 10 p.m., you can see hopefully every recording, today's recording will also be available. And if you want to know more link, like all the online documents, like tomorrow, Thursday, tomorrow we'll do some theoretical portion from this online documents. All the labs are using, basically I'm using this one because every labs are in there. Book link I already shared, that one is under the Google Drive. And every day we come into the class and we'll practice this portal.azure.com. These are the few things every day we need to come and we need to follow that things. So make sure you can see under the document section is schedule and you can see the important link. Now I need to know from the Parvin. Parvin, everything is good or you need to know more? Parvin, are you in here? Okay. One more thing. Okay, I finished the lab, today's lab. There is no documentation. I cannot share with you. The recordings are available. You can check it. You can do by yourself. At least practice the labs. That one will be helpful for you. I'm always practicing. Before I come into the class, I always practice. Though I'm practicing, sometimes I is stuck in the class because of all the things are not in my hand. Everything in the online. But please practice. I also practice. You can try to do that one. It will be good for you. Any question, guys? No question? You are very good, guys. I like you, man. Ask me question, guys. If you have any question, please let me know. I'll try to help you. And I want to share my email address. If you have any question, any concern regarding anything, please send me email. This is my email address. Sometimes you are not attend the class, I know. Sometimes just you log in. Sometimes you did not submit your assignment. No problem. Let me know. Please let me know. I want to help you. This is our WhatsApp program. You need money. I need money. Our college need money. Everyone's need money. And government need graduation. So everything is important. So please be active in the class. Please attend the classes and do the exercises. I'm not doing much more thing. I'm not forcing you. Hey guys, do it, do it, do it. You are not grade 1, grade 2 student. You are adult. I know you all are genius. So please practice. If you need anything, please let me know. I'll try to help you. Any question, guys? Okay, then bye for now. See you tomorrow with theoretical portion. Tomorrow we'll do first a theoretical portion. Most of the time we will do theoretical. I will give you time. You need to read it after the class. That means after 1 hour or half an hour, I'll ask you some question regarding the theory and finish the class. So tomorrow is the theory and Friday we have the assignment day. We need to do the assignment. Bye for now. See you tomorrow. Thank you, Giram. I like you, Giram. Only you are in here.